Hello, today we're gonna make Aguardente de Medronho. First of all, you need Medronho trees. Why? Because you need Medronho. This is Medronho. Pick them up, put them in a barrel. You need a barrel. You can mush them for extra flavor. Add water. More water. This is how it looks like. Very nice. Now you wait 3 months at least.
Several months later.
Time to cook. First, you take out your alambic. You need an alambic. And you clean it. You clean it with lemon juice and salt. You need lemon and salt. Here we have the juice of 2 small lemons. We add a bit of salt. Use a cloth that is completely clean and you use this as a detergent. Now, to give a better inner cleaning, you fill your alambic with water and you assemble it. After flowing for a while, it's good. Now time for the real deal. Get your Medronho barrel. Perfect. And fill up your alambic. Clean and ready, let's go. You offer the first shot to the gods, otherwise you're gonna be very hungover. 4 months later, the moment of truth. Na zdrowie. It's strong. Nice.
Cheira bem, Medronho.
Yeah. The second time is always better. Na zdrowie. Sweet and sour, very nice.